What's up, y'all? Back with another video, and today, well, we are in the process of getting Panda ready for Panda 2.0. Yeah, right now I'm currently removing her on my black stripes myself using the heat gun that T has. I'm about to go meet up with her again. We started on it last night, and as you can see, got a lot done. Got stuff still right there, but the paint man gonna take care of that. And then we're gonna take off the roof stripes and all the other stripes. Even though I ordered a brand new hood, I'm going to keep that one. So yeah, just in case it's gonna be a backup. But she's waiting on me, and she gets very impatient. I was supposed to bend over at her friend's place so that we could start back again. So alright, y'all, I'll get with y'all once I make it there. Alright, and I'm with T. She got the little fro going on right now. Good times. Don't beat my ass. Don't beat me up, because she does like to fight. Alright, but you say what?
Don't tell nobody.
Alright. Yeah, but we on top of the roof right now. Making good progress. I already learned last night how to properly do it with the heat gun, because I got plenty of little burn blisters. Because at first it was taking me a while to do it, but now I'm good. So how about a quick montage? What's up, y'all? So several days later, and me and T, we had already finished removing the wraps and stuff from the car. Well, sorry, not the wraps, the vinyl stripes from the car. And again, it got late. We was tired, and we was dropping the car bright early next morning. So yeah, my car is already dropped off, and this is the guy that's doing it right here, Terrence Martin, Custom Finishes. Extremely cool guy. Gave me a great deal on painting the bumper, the hood, the rear bumper, and fixing up everything else. Yeah. And so I'm just waiting on T to come pick me up now. She's been taking me to work until the car finishes. He says the car gonna be done today by 5 p.m. And he said, you know, if I have to, he'll stay past closing until I get off at 7 p.m. so that he can come. So that I can go get the car. And so hopefully it's actually done by today, and I can pick my baby back up. We can get Panda back. So now, just waiting on T to come on. Alright, and there she go, right there pulling in. Y'all see her charger just changing on up, huh? Alright, I'm coming.
One shift later.
And yeah, it's late on the day. It's actually late in the day. I'm off work now. Yeah, the car it's not ready yet. It's gonna be ready tomorrow though. He was just painting it earlier today when I called him, and he said it's gonna be ready by tomorrow. Yeah, so tomorrow, hopefully by the time it's my lunch break later on in the day, T will come pick me up and then take me to go get it, and she'll be all ready. While I'm off work now, I'm just waiting on T to pull up so that she can take me home. And we're gonna continue this video later on. Well, actually, but no, hold on. But no, I'm gonna wait for her to pull up because I got some words to say to her. Where is she? She playing. Well, let me keep waiting.
1 hour later.
Look who's finally showing up. Look at who it is. Finally! She finally showed up. And she drove right past me. How you go? How you gonna drive? Oh my. How you gonna drive right past me? And you make me drive again.
Yeah, you don't want to gotta go to work nothing.
The things I deal with.
The next day.
What's up, y'all? So next day again. But this time, she's ready. That's right. Panda is finally ready. She's ready. He hit me up. He sent me a video to my phone, and I was just like, oh, that's my car. Like it looks brand new, brand spanking new. But yeah, she's ready. I'm on lunch break from work. I get like a really long lunch break because after lunch service feeding the elderly people, dinner don't start till like 5:30. So from now until 5:30, I'm on break. And so yeah, just waiting on T, waiting on her to pull up again. I wonder if she's gonna drive past me again like how she did before. If she drive past me again, I know something is up. So just waiting on her now, and she's gonna take me to go get the car. All right.
1 hour later.
Well, was on the way, but she just had to stop and get something to eat. Y'all see her steering wheel? Her car nice on the inside, somewhat. Hungry self. That good old Chick-fil-A. After we leave here, then we'll finally go get the car. Finally. Hopefully. Y'all, I just pulled in and I see my car. Oh my God. Did you see this?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Did you see this? Yo. Hold on, I'll show y'all in just a second. Yeah. Y'all,
Get ready to sell mine now.
and here go my new hood.
I'm gonna sell my hood, get a wide body kit.
Sounds good.
Find me one that
Front bumper fix. Hood fix.
hell yeah, I ain't buying shit out of there.
Hey man, yeah man. Man, Memphis is too damn high.
You'll pay $150 for a skate.
Y'all look at this. He fixed everything.
Actually, 29 is mine. Mine, $396.
Y'all's good. Just look at that. Man. Yeah, I'm gonna get a mesh grill soon. Man, let me zoom out some.
I got 5.
Oh yeah, and this the man right here that did the job, Terrence Martin, aka Terrence Martin, custom finishes. Man, come see my guy. He got me through the door. T. Like you said, 3 days. T, you supposed to be next.
Why you put that out there like that?
I mean, hey. But, ooh. Hey. Like I said,
Hey, you look. You don't look like a V6 when you
You
work.
remember that truck to you when you came in, dude?
Panda 2.0 slowly coming. Y'all, I'm sorry. I cannot get over how it looks right now. Like, y'all, it looks amazing. So yeah, so I'm headed back to work right now. My lunch break about to be over with. So once this lunch break is over with and I get off work, I'm gonna come back to y'all. All right. So I'll talk to y'all in like the next couple hours. All right, peace.
The next day.
All right, y'all, next day again, here at the car wash to bean Panda my baby up real quick. She was dirty after leaving the paint shop. But again, y'all, just look at this hood and just look at how aggressive it makes it look. And how just whoo-hoo. My car literally does not look like a V6 no more. Yeah, but Panda dirty. She done had Gotta clean that off. Give it a good wash and we'll be good. Yeah, so now let's get the washing. Alright, so Panda is all washed, looking good, as y'all can see now. And I just gotta say, y'all, I love this hood. Like, this hood, it's amazing, y'all. I just love the way this hood looks. Now, I ain't gonna lie, it's still taking me a second to get used to the hood because I'm not used to this part right here being elevated so high. So whenever I'm sitting inside the car driving, like, and I don't be thinking like my mom would just go somewhere else. I'm looking like, oh snap, my hood coming up, when the whole time it's this elevated part. But now one thing I do got to give for it is a little mesh grill that can go right there to like help catch any leaves or rocks from going inside of it. Other than that, I don't really have no complaints about this hood. There was really no problems with it. The install went perfectly. Terrence and them did tell me about one little defect that's in the hood. I mean, but unless you're up close on it, you can't see it. But it's right there. And they said that they tried sanding and everything as much as they can, but they told me that is a defect that's actually in the hood from Cervinis. But at the same time, I don't really care. It's like I said, unless you're up close on it, you can't see. So, y'all, and every time someone sees it, like, I've been getting a whole lot of looks lately. And as soon as it came back from the paint shop, I sent a picture to all my friends. Everyone kept thinking that I got a GT500. Just from seeing my front end and the hood, everyone kept thinking I had got a GT500. I wish. Well, all right, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm finally off work. I'm about to get ready to head on out. So, if you own a Mustang, invest in you a Cervinis hood. It is worth the buy, and the look hassle they give you with shipping and stuff, but get it and you'll be good. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.